Our last vlog was part 1 of our Western Australian road trip.
So here we are at Eagle Bay area, and this is Eagle Bay Beach, I believe. Definitely by far the best beach of the trip. I think one of the best beaches we've been to. You can see the turquoise water. Turquoise. The S is silent. And nice and refreshing. It is a little bit cooler water, but I think it's quite nice. And we're contemplating maybe we'll move here. There's some nice houses up the beach there. So definitely a nice place to I think spend some time. And as you can see, not many people, which is really good.
No rubbish on the beach.
No rubbish. Saw fish swimming around. Quite good. It's been a great day, or great couple of days actually, around Margaret River region. I highly recommend it.
We are at Cape Naturaliste at the moment, and I am doing a weird fly dance because the flies are crazy here. I'm probably going to swallow at least 2 while I'm talking. So we're supposed to do a nice walk along the boardwalk, and we asked the lady at the tourist centre where to go, and she pointed us in direction of Whale Point, and we seem to have gone totally off track and have ended up on sandy and rocky terrain, so not really sure where we went, but the view is amazing and we're really happy with the colour of the water. But a couple of tips for you. 1, bring a fan, which Mum did, so you can get rid of the flies. 2, wear shoes because it's really hot on your feet. And 3, bring some water. Everywhere. No, not they're tickling my face. So Houey,
Hey,
where are we?
finally made it to Whale Lookout.
Yay!
Only took an hour and a half or a half an hour walk. But we missed the whales by a month. Apparently it's September to November. The whales come by here. 3 types of whales. The blue whale, the biggest whale in the world. The humpback whale, which is quite popular. And then the southern right whale. And I learned an interesting fact about 5 minutes ago. The southern right whale has the biggest testes of all the animal kingdom, weighing as much as a car. I'm surprised they don't call it a sperm whale instead, but there you go. And I know why they called it the southern right whale, or the right whale. It used to be hunted extensively because it was the right whale to hunt, because it contained a lot of meat and oil for its size. It was quite short and stubby, and because when they harpooned it, it would actually float to the top, so it had high buoyancy, so it was easy to bring on the boat. So a bit morbid, but there you go.
Sugarloaf Rock, which is just around the corner from where we just were. There's less flies here, which is really good.
Still enough flies.
Yeah, there's still a lot of flies. This is probably my favourite spot so far. It's really beautiful. You can see all the way up the coastline, nice turquoise water. Yeah, just really beautiful views here.
Yeah, absolutely. A nice pleasant area, nice breeze. Haven't seen too much wildlife other than flies, but there's supposed to be nesting birds around here, but I don't think it's the time of year for it. But yeah, the water's really cool and awesome drone footage.
Yeah. So we are at a place called Gnomesville, which I got Dean to drive half an hour extra out of the way to come and check out this place.
I don't think it's well known.
Oh, haha, very funny. Well, actually it is well known because apparently it is one of the top 10 places in Australia to come and check out.
Top 100.
Sorry, okay, top 100 places in Australia to come check out. Yeah. I was thinking even top 100, I think it's a little bit weird, but anyway, so the premise is that you have a gnome or something at home and you can bring it here and you can put it here as a new home. And there's lots of different gnomes here. There's some very interesting ones. There's selfie gnomes and wedding gnomes and naked gnomes. Yeah, I think it might be a little bit creepy to come and see it at night time. But yeah, there's thousands and thousands of gnomes here. So I guess if you're in the area, you can come check it out. Maybe it's something fun that kids would like doing.
Stay tuned for next time, where we continue our Western Australian road trip. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button and hit the bell.